for this wicked world. Your data's uncorrupted, but does something skip inside you? That's what takes up time in your life. Add the sum of the slides, and sooner or later love.
We are near our destination. And if you want to know what our destination is, you think first I want you to try to guess.
Wait, that's 1015. What's the number?
7095.
Wait, 70?
And it starts with an N.
70.
It's 2 words. Starts with the N, and the second word begins with the J. Still haven't guessed?
7095.
The answer
Right, it's all the way up there.
is New Jersey,
It's 2 miles.
Atlantic City, where I was born. We are near. Seems like a nice hotel, but we haven't gotten our room yet, so I don't know. And I've got Angeline with me, which is pronounced Angel Line, if you don't know. When she's a new doll, I got her at Goodwill for $5, and I'll tell you more about her later. And first, we're stepping in the hotel for the first time, and we don't know. Now, where's Daddy? Oh, hi. I think it's now, where did he go? Oh, is that him? Yeah, I think he's in there. Yeah, down there. Oh, okay. Okay, what? My camera? Hi, Dad. How are you?
Couldn't see with my glasses on.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is my camera. Yeah, I'm filming you right now. Say hi to YouTube.
Hello, what are you guys open today?
Alright. He's busy now, so I'm not gonna go. We're gonna get our room. And I'm gonna film this to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube, Donna. Here's I think this is where we eat breakfast. Linda, say hi to YouTube. Guys, say hi to YouTube over there. Hello. Ooh, free. Stuff for free. Okay. Too bad you can't enjoy this free stuff. Go juice and oranges. Nah. Hey, I'm recording.
Now I have to go in where the guys do the laundry to get it. I don't want to keep going.
They let me. There's one upstairs.
There's one upstairs. I don't want to go.
Look, it was only $1.
I'm not going upstairs.
It was only $1.
How far does Zoom go?
I'm gonna put in the extra money in my purse. Donna, say hi.
How far does it go? The Zoom go? I don't know. How far does the Zoom go?
Let me see. It says. Well, let me figure it out. I think it's 5. No, 4 times. This is a Sony Cybershot. Yeah, we're watching TV now. Hey, we're on YouTube.
Jennifer will go in the Salvation Army now.
Okay, I'm recording. Maybe I'll record in there. Okay, Miss Stevens. Hi. It's all morning fire. And then I'm gonna look a little bit, and I'll show you probably what we got at the hotel. Except if it's maybe clothes or anything, I don't know. But I'll probably show it to you. And here we go. Okay. I'm just gonna quickly show it to you without trying to be noticed, but here's the children's right over there. And this is a lot bigger than the one in where we live. The children's. Let me see if I can find it. I'm not gonna look right now, but I'm just gonna show you the books real quick in the back. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Ooh. Oh, wait, it's a woman. want to go look around. Girls skirts. Okay, I'm not gonna look around right here because I'm filming, but let me show you the furniture, and they have the furniture down there. Oh, and I love this where they have the videotapes, and I might take one. I'm not sure. They might have them in the videotapes over here. And you should have the toys. I'm hoping to find another doll, but I don't think I will. But we're going to Goodwill too, and I'll film there too. And if I find one, I'll film her too over there. And there's where they keep the furniture. And then I'm just going to show you where they keep the books, and then I'm going to look, and then I'm going to look and I'll shut it off. Oh wow, look at that. This is just a little bit taller than Mia. It's too bad you can't take it. Okay. And then here are the books and some of the children's books and other books. And I'm gonna let you go now. And I'm in Build-A-Bear right now in the Hamilton Mall with Angela in here, and I'm going to get an outfit. One of the Justice outfits right here. And I'm not sure what else I'm gonna get, but it might be something else. And this one is like, I think $13.99. But it comes with a skirt and a jacket. I think it's worth it. And someone just stuffing a bear down there. Hold on, let me zoom in. Yeah, I'm not gonna get a bear this time because my uncle won't pay for me to get one, and I don't feel like spending my money. So I'm just gonna get the outfit or a couple of outfits and maybe some accessories. I don't know. Oh, look at this. I wonder how much this is. Oh, no, that's not it. I saw another one that was pink, and these are cute. Alright, I'll show you what I get. As you can see, I'm wearing the outfit I got yesterday from Build-A-Bear. And here's the tip. If you ever Build-A-Bear outfit, you know how they're always a little big. You can put them under your doll's clothes, like she's wearing a dress. And yeah, so that's good. Yeah, and I'm sorry about my big poofy hair. This is how I came. Yeah. And today I'm here with the mystery doll, which is, well, not really a mystery doll, because
There's a baby.
okay, there's where I live, guys. Right there. No, somewhere down there, but I can't. We'll go down there sometime later, and I'll show you my YouTube bands. Okay. Anyway, well, it's not really a mystery doll because it's my own doll that I've had for a year, so not really. But the mystery doll is what we're, like, there's going to be a mystery doll on Who's Writing today. It's Sonali, hello. Sorry I was late. Ugh. Okay. And guess where we're at now, Sonali? We're in, oh yeah, we're in the car. Yes. Sonali, sorry. Okay, we're in the car now. Yes, and look. We have a whole bunch of stuff here.
Hey, what's the soda?
Did you blame Mo?
Spill it.
Sorry.
Okay.
And yes, here is Sonali. Yeah. And we are going to go to Ocean City today, and we're gonna film there. Yeah, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. Yeah, and we'll be catching you later.